Born on December 27, 1571, in Weil der Stadt, Germany, Johannes Kepler exhibited exceptional mathematical talents from a young age. He studied theology and mathematics at the University of Tübingen. Kepler's most significant contribution to astronomy was his discovery that planets move in elliptical orbits around the Sun. This revolutionary insight replaced the traditional circular orbits proposed by the ancient Greeks. Kepler formulated 3 laws describing the motion of planets. First, the planets move in elliptical paths with the Sun at one of the foci. Second, the line connecting a planet to the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal times. Third, the square of a planet's orbital period is proportional to the cube of its semi-major axis. Kepler worked with Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe, utilizing Brahe's precise observational data to formulate his laws of planetary motion. In 1604, Kepler observed a supernova, a rare event in the night sky. His study of this phenomenon helped dispel the Aristotelian notion of the unchanging heavens. Kepler made significant contributions to optics and vision, explaining how the eye forms images and how lenses function. Kepler explored the idea of a harmony of the spheres, attempting to connect planetary motions to musical harmony. Johannes Kepler's laws of planetary motion laid the foundation for Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation, shaping modern celestial mechanics and our understanding of the universe. Kepler produced detailed astronomical tables and calendars, facilitating accurate predictions of planetary positions and phenomena. Johannes Kepler passed away on November 15, 1630, in Regensburg, Germany. His work profoundly influenced the development of astronomy and remains a testament to the power of mathematical reasoning and empirical observation in advancing scientific knowledge.